The top 10 things I've learned from owning 200 chickens at one time. Number 10. They don't care about likes, follows, or shares. Number 9. You think one rooster is loud? Try one rooster, 4 guinea fowls, plus 199 laying hens. It's like a backyard alarm clock from hell. Number 8. Eggs used to be breakfast, now they're inventory. Number 7. I've had more meaningful conversations with chickens than with certain executives out there. Number 6. They wake up earlier than my regrets. Number 5. There's always that one chicken that finds the hole in the fence. Number 4. You don't own chickens, chickens own you. Number 3. Now I understand why the chicken crossed the road. It's chaos out there. Number 2. 200 chickens still can't find where that one egg went. And the number one thing I've learned from owning 200 chickens, I should have gotten 300.